Hello friends, my name is Ajay Balbhim Devde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BA in JH College, and today's date is 13 June 2021, and today's video topic is why strings are immutable. The first of all, we can explain the concept of the why string are immutable. We can say about something to the string. Then the string is a collection of the similar number of characters, and then the similar also simple concept of the string is like a character array. And what about into the string into the Java? It will be provide the various types of method to the create to the supporting to the Java, and we can explain about something to the why string are immutable. We can say the concept of the immutability. We can take an example. First, we can take first example. We can create a new by using new keyword, the help sign. By using new keyword, we can create a string. The syntax of this string we can first explain. We can take a string s is equal to new string, and new string it is a creator to the keyword is a help sign or used to the string, and it is a string we can store into the heap memory. The all these objects are creating into the by using the new keyword. It will be stored into the first heap memory into the JVM, and and then the second to store into the JRE. Then it will be a first object will create into the heap memory. This heap memory can allocate it to the second space. It will be called as the string constant pool. This string constant pool also store the this object into create into the string. Also it will be heap sign object create into the heap memory. This heap memory also create the second object same object into the string constant pool, and we can assign the second example to create the concatenation method. This will can assign the we can take the first yes by using create to the string yes method, yes location. This will be created by using to concatenation yes dot concat. The new keyword using to the concatenation is Java. The first we can take a help sign word, and this will be concatenation we can help sign Java. But already we can store in already can create into the help sign object, but it will be concatenation process will be cannot create any new object to the help sign, but it can allocate to the next object location to the Java, and it will be proper from the concatenation. It is don't change the location of the and location of this help sign object, and it will be not created in any other concatenation any other object. That's the reason it will be created to second object. This will be called as a string as a not immutable. Means it will be we can any process can take into the string. We can change an immutable and various type of method using by can changes the any changes of the any changes into the string. But it was a string. We can assign one object location into the heap memory. It will be store that string in permanently. It not change and it will be redirected from this memory. It can be changes by using to create a string buffer and a string reader to assign to the changes created into the string. But we can the without using string buffer and string builder, we can not change this. We can provide it into the string. The why string concept are required into the Java, and why string are concept are immutable can assign into the Java. We can simply take example of the why the prefer to the string is immutable. The first we can take a one person can create a one person method. This will be city, it is a location, and then take a take a Delhi, and take a Delhi is a its location, means it a string. It will be created into the heap memory or SP string transfer pool. It is a object is a object, it is a Delhi or story into the string constant pool. And then the second person, it will be created to the second city 2. It will be created object same as like a heap chain string. This will be, but it's time to assign only this location can be provided to the second person, also to the Delhi. And third will be created as a lakhs of people are created to the Delhi string. This will be assigned to the only this location, and it not created to the other any other any object into the string. It will be assigned to this object location to the all this string. And it will be, it is important to, and it is reduce the code, and it is reduce the memory assigned by using to the various object will be created into the using by string. It will be reduce the memory allocation. And second will can one person will can this is a change the location, and it will be created to the, it will be location to the Mumbai. But in this case we can does not change into the first object. We can create a second object to the in the string constant pool. This is a call as a second this is a second object. This will name is a Mumbai, can also store into string concept pool, and this will be assigned to the other Mumbai person. And it is a simple concept of the string to the Y string are immutable. So thank you and take care.